Hi kindergartners and hi kindergartner families. In this video I'm going to go over our lowercase letters. So all of our alphabet lowercase letters. And just like the other video, they're not in order, so it might be a little bit trickier. As I said in the other videos, you can use this for extra practice. You can use it if you don't have anybody to go through the flashcards with you for the day. Or parents, if you need a good example of how you might go through this with your kids. So here we go, and just like the uppercase letters, I'm going to go a little bit quicker just because there's so many letters to go through. So try your best, and when you see it, say its name, and if you know the sound it makes, say its sound too. And then I'll tell you and I'll have you repeat it with me. Here we go. What letter is that and what sound does it make? That's the letter U, and it says U. Good job. Alright, what letter is that? This is the letter N. Say N, and the letter N says N. Say N, N. Good. Okay, what letter is this? Good, that's the letter B. The letter B says B. And it kind of looks like a D, but you can always remember that B's have a belly, so it goes forward. So say B, B. Good. What letter is this? Good. That's the letter L. O. Say L, O. Good job. What letter is that, and what sound does it make? This is the letter V. V. Say V, V. Good job. Okay, what letter is this? That's the letter P, and its sound is P. Say P, P. Good job. Okay, what letter is that, and what sound does it make? G, G. The letter is G and the sound is G. Say G, G. Good job. Okay, what letter is that? This one might be a little bit trickier. This is the letter Q and it says Qua. Can you say Q, Qua? Nice work. Okay, what letter is that? Good. K, K. Say K, K. Good job. What letter is that? That's the letter O, and its sound is Ah. Say O, Ah. Good job. How about this letter? That's the letter I, and it says I. Say I. Good. Okay. What letter is this? Good. That's the letter C. And C says K. Say C, K. Good job. What letter is this? That's the letter Y, and it says Ya. Say Y, Ya. Good job. And this is the first letter of Yarrington for Mrs. Yarrington. Ya, Ya, Yarrington. Good job. What letter is that? That's the letter T. Say T. Its sound is T. T, T. Great job. Okay. How about this next letter? What letter is that, and what sound do you think it makes? That's the letter Z, and it says Z. Say Z, Z. Nice. Good job. Okay. What letter is this? That's the letter H, and it says H. Say H, H. Good job. What letter is this? Good, that's X, and it says X. Say X, X. Good job. letter is that? What sound do you think it makes? That's the letter R, and it says Say R, Good job. What letter is that? That's the letter F, and it says Say F. Good job. How about this letter? What letter is that? Good. That's the letter J. Say J, J. J, J. Good job. Okay. How about this letter? This is the letter D. It says D. D, D. You can remember that it's not a B because it has a diaper. Think about that whole circle on the side is a diaper. So D, D. Go ahead and say it. Good job. What letter is that? That's S. 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 Good job. Okay. And let's move on to the next letter. Only a few left. What letter is that? That's the letter M. Say it. M. Good job. Okay. What letter is this? That is W. W. Say it. W. W. Good job. And the last letter, what letter is this? Good. That's the letter E, and it says eh. Say E, eh. Good job. And that is all of our lowercase letters. So great job. Keep practicing and keep it up. I'll talk to you soon. Goodbye.